Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I have V75 on my screen, and the screen is divided into three. Okay, the first part, the upper part, is the main window. This is my main window. Okay, that's my main window. I'm gonna change the color. Okay, let's leave it at this. Okay, this is my main window. All right, now this is my indicator window 1, and this is indicator window 2. Okay, now how does this strategy work? Okay, let's first of all look at the parameters for the indicators on the main window. Okay, I have fractals, Bollinger Bands. Okay, the period is 13, deviation is 0.029, shift is 0, apply to close, and the color is red. Then I have another Bollinger Bands. The period is 50, deviation is 0.019, shift is 0, apply to close, and the color is blue. On my third Bollinger Bands, the period is 20, deviation is 2.019, shift is 0, apply to close, and the color is gray. While the last indicator on the main window, I have moving average. The period is 20, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, color is green. Okay, let's go to the main chart and look at how the parameters, the indicators, how you are going to use it to get your trades. Okay, if you scroll back, you can see a point where the red Bollinger Bands and the green moving average cross down on the blue Bollinger Bands. Okay, that's your sell signal. Okay, but it doesn't just work like that. You have to look at what happens after you have the sell signal. Do you have a confirmation? Your confirmation will be a drop. Okay, then a drop below the drop. That's your confirmation. This is your confirmation, like a drop below the initial drop. All right, so your confirmation here is here around here, so you will start to sell around here. You can see what happened. You have the price drop, you have the signal. This is your signal. All right, and this the drop of the price, more like the initial low. Now when you now have a new low breaking below the initial low, that's your confirmation to sell. We are on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let's look at to buy. All right, you have a signal around here. All right, okay, and you have a rise. This is a rise. Okay, now the rise above that rise, more like a higher high. That's your confirmation. This is your confirmation to buy, to place your buy trade. The reason why you need the confirmation is to avoid the range, avoid the consolidation. Okay, so in as much as you have the signal, which is the buy, and then you have like a rise, and then you have a rise above the initial rise, like a breakout, then that's your buy confirmation. All right, let's look at the indicators on indicator window 1. Okay, we have MACD. Okay, the parameters for the MACD, we have fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. Okay, we have the main and the signal, no color. All right, After the MACD, we have moving average. The period is 200. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to first indicator's data. The color is green. The second moving average. Let's look at the parameters for the second moving average. For the second moving average, we have the period to be 1. Shift is -4. Method is simple. Apply to first indicator's data, and the color is gray. Okay. The third moving average, you have the period to be 1. Shift is -6. Method is simple. Apply to first indicator's data, and the color is gray. And the last moving average on the indicator window 1, we have the period to be 1. Shift is -5. Method is simple. Apply to first indicator's data, and the color is red. So how does this work? This is a simple part of the strategy. You have the crossover of the gray, the red, and the gray lines above and below the green line. This is your buy signal. This is your sell signal. Okay, like this sell signal. All right. This is that's a sell signal. This is a buy signal. Okay, so the combination of what happens on the indicator window 1 with what happens on indicator we made on the main window is what you will use. Okay, let's look at the parameters for the indicators on indicator window 2. Okay, on the indicator window 2, we have just MACD and stochastic oscillator. Okay, the fast EMA for the MACD is 20. The slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Okay, the main color, no color. Signal color is blue. All right, that's for the MACD. Okay. For the MACD, okay, that's for the MACD. For stochastic oscillator, we have the percentage K period to be 20, the percentage D period to be 3, the slowing parameter to be 3, price field is close over close, method is simple. Now the color for the main style is green, while the color for the signal style is red. If you look at the levels, we have 95 and then we have 5. Color is blue. Okay, if you go to the chart for indicator window 2. Okay, looking at the chart, when the green and the blue and when the green and the red line, okay, rises from the base, which is the 5 level, okay, and then crosses the blue, and then touches the 95 level. That's your buy signal. Okay, and then when you have it doing exactly the opposites, okay, from the 95 level crossing down below the blue line and then touching the 5 level, this is your sell signal. Okay, so if you want to get sell signal like from here, you can see a touch of the 95 level, you can see a cross of the blue line, okay, cross downward, and then you can see an immediate touch off of the 5 level. That's your sell signal. So what you do is to combine the signals, the alignment of the signals on all windows for you to get the actual confirmation to sell or to buy. It's a simple strategy. You can use it on the lower time frames. I'm talking about the 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, then 1 hour time frame. Is a very good strategy. You will like it, but first you need to practice Okay, try it on a demo account. Don't go live on a new strategy. It's going to be dangerous for your account. It's going to be dangerous for your money, so that you don't end up losing your money. So ensure to subscribe to the channel so that you get to see more of our videos. Click the subscribe button so that you get to see more of our videos. Click the like button for the video if you like it. If you like the video, if you like what you just saw, go ahead and click the like button. Also click the notification button below the video. It's a bell button below the video. Click it so that when we release another video, you'll be notified. You can also drop your comments below the video. Ask questions below the video. We try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can take it further by going to our website, www.binfxtrader.com, to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, so that you learn how to trade forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next time, it's